Each person's life is a continuous journey of learning and growth. The lessons we experience not only play a role in our self-improvement, but also become valuable values we carry with us throughout life. Here are 7 essential lessons everyone should learn to build a more meaningful and fulfilling life. The third thing everyone should hear at least once in their life. Lesson 1. Learn to admit mistakes. People often tend to avoid responsibility for their own mistakes and shift blame onto others. This mindset not only hinders our progress but also stifles our thinking. Learning to admit mistakes not only demonstrates maturity but also lays the foundation for building strong relationships. When we bravely stand up and admit our mistakes, we open the door to learning and self-improvement. Admitting mistakes is truly a significant step in the journey of personal growth. Lesson 2. Learn patience. Life doesn't always go our way. The ability to be patient helps reduce stress and anxiety when facing difficulties. A calm mind allows us to handle situations more wisely and reasonably. Learning patience not only helps us maintain composure during adversity, but also serves as a valuable tool for maintaining harmonious relationships with those around us. Lesson 3. Learn to understand. Understanding others is an art that needs to be cultivated. Life becomes more manageable when we know how to listen and empathize with the pain of others. Understanding is not only the foundation for sustainable relationships but also helps us navigate challenging times. When we understand others, we also become closer to ourselves, fostering peace and joy in the community. Lesson 4. Learn to let go. Life is like a suitcase, and knowing how to arrange our baggage is essential. There are memories, relationships, and emotions that we need to let go of to move forward. Learning to let go doesn't mean giving up. It means accepting that some things are unnecessary and will only hinder our journey. When we let go of things that no longer suit our present, we find freedom and the strength to move toward a brighter future. Lesson 5. Learn compassion. Compassion is the key to opening the doors of love and acceptance. When we see the pain and joy of others, we feel a deep connection with one another. Learning compassion helps develop empathy and kindness, which are essential for building a peaceful and prosperous society. We cannot live in isolation. Every heart needs the understanding and sympathy of others. Lesson 6. Learn survival skills. Life is precious, and to protect it, we need to take care of our physical and mental health. A healthy body not only allows us to live fully, but also motivates those around us. Learning survival skills goes beyond taking care of ourselves. It involves building healthy habits to overcome life's challenges. When we are healthy in both body and mind, life becomes easier and more beautiful. Lesson 7. Learn flexibility. Life is shaped by conflicts and disagreements, and the way to overcome them is to learn to be flexible. Remember that life is a long journey. Adaptability and the ability to adjust to circumstances are crucial factors that help us survive and thrive. Learning to be flexible not only improves our interactions with others but also brings peace to our souls. In conclusion, each life lesson provides us with immense value. These 7 lessons not only help us become better individuals but also bring us closer to a happy and meaningful life. Continuously learning and applying these lessons in life is a solid foundation for building a bright future. Live to the fullest and never stop learning, so that every day is a day worth living. The importance of learning in life. In today's fast-paced society, regularly updating and improving oneself through practical lessons is essential. We need to realize that learning doesn't just happen within the walls of a school, but in every daily experience we encounter. Life lessons, big or small, all contribute to shaping who we are. The role of a learning mindset. A learning mindset is the key to expanding our horizons and discovering new things. When we develop this mindset, we are not only open to receiving lessons from others but also willing to face the challenges that life throws at us. This is one of the vital factors that help us grow sustainably, even in difficult times. Humility in learning from others, regardless of who they are, will open up new opportunities and different perspectives on life. Applying lessons to everyday life. Each lesson we learn should be practically applied in our daily lives. For example, learning to admit mistakes can greatly improve our relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. Patience helps us face and handle stress, while understanding fosters deeper connections with those around us. Small actions, like listening to others or sharing their pain, can make a significant difference in many lives. Applying these lessons is not only necessary in the workplace, but also in family and community life. Those who mature by learning and naturally applying these lessons set an example for the next generation, helping them form positive habits. Enhancing quality of life through continuous learning. Life's constant movement requires us to keep updating ourselves, from our understanding to our interactions with the world around us. Continuous learning not only helps us develop knowledge but also forms positive habits, thereby enhancing our quality of life. We need to be proactive in seeking diverse sources of information, from books and courses to real-life experiences. This will open up new horizons in our thinking and perspective on life. Creating a daily learning habit. To prevent learning from feeling forced, we need to develop a habit of frequent study. Set small goals, such as reading 1 page a day, attending a weekly seminar, or simply reflecting on past experiences. These activities will gradually become an integral part of our daily lives. When learning becomes a natural habit, we will feel comfortable and willing to absorb new lessons. Exploring the wisdom of life experiences. An essential part of learning is discovering life experiences from ourselves and those around us. Take the time to listen to the stories and experiences of others. Everyone has their own perspectives and lessons. Sharing and learning from them will broaden our thinking and deepen our understanding of the world. Casual conversations with friends and family can become valuable moments and opportunities to learn more about the diverse colors of life. Applying values in work. Learning is not just a personal process, but can also be applied in communication and work environments. At work, promoting a spirit of learning and sharing the lessons gained from experience will create an atmosphere of cooperation and mutual support. Leaders should encourage employees to share their ideas, experiences, and lessons, thereby nurturing a culture of learning at the organizational level where every individual can grow. The importance of guidance from others. Having guidance is crucial on the learning journey. A teacher, friend, or positive role model helps us identify valuable lessons and guide us on how to apply them effectively. They are not just sources of inspiration, but also mentors who help us see different angles of the problems we face. Investing in these relationships benefits personal growth and builds a solid foundation for community development. Connecting with principles of success. Ultimately, learning is not limited to methods but also includes applying proven principles of success. Principles like patience, determination, and creativity support us in a life full of challenges. To live a more fulfilling and meaningful life, we must continuously cultivate, apply, and maintain these lessons in practice. Conclusion: every lesson that life offers is not just a step in personal development, but an opportunity to improve our nature and enhance the quality of life. A meaningful life is defined not just by success, but also by how we face challenges, love, and empathize with others. Always remember that learning never ends, and each day is an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves.